Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy M02 and M02s. So what we need for are the buttons, so the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons simultaneously for 1 second and you will have a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit it or you can share it directly with WhatsApp or Telegram or something like this. If you're doing it for the very first time, you have to allow the screenshot, so just tap on allow, but later you see this bar we have seen just now. Okay, one more time, the power button and the volume down button just together for short, and we will have a screenshot. And if you tap now, you're on the editing symbol, you have the chance to draw something inside, and you can also crop a part here of the screenshot if you want. If you want just to have a picture from a website or something like this. And then after you can share directly here this edited part or save it here with the arrow directly to your gallery. And where are the screenshots? Of course, here at the gallery, as I have said, and as you can see, I had already some twice here. And what is very nice here at the gallery, at the category albums, the screenshots have their own folder. So here you will find all your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.